My name is Benson Simmons, and I'm here to introduce you to CrushErrors so that you can solve a variety of reconciliation problems. It's new and it's patented. Import and export to Excel, CSV, and the clipboard. Plus, there's artificial intelligence. It combines textual matching with math. There's fuzzy matching that will help match similar text, like Ben and Benson. It finds differences. So, for example, one bill will match with 5 different partial payments. It's for anyone that uses both text and numbers. Hello, Identical Benson. Thanks for joining. Whoops, did you see that? Whoa, did you see that one? Let's zoom in. See, now that's what Crush does. It finds small differences between 2 data sets, not in videos, but in your valuable text and numbers. So let us give you a demo today so that you can start zooming in and crush your errors.